how to send Bitcoin from Cash App. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can send Bitcoin from Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to actually send Bitcoin from Cash App, all you have to do is simply open up Cash App and log into the account. Before you try to send Bitcoin from Cash App, you have to figure out to whom or which wallet you want to send, and you need to copy their wallet address. So if you're trying to send to another Cash App user, you can just enter their cash tag, that's no problem. If you're trying to send to different wallet, you need to copy that wallet address. Then once you've done that, open up Cash App and you will see this interface where you just have to tap on this little send option over here after coming to the Bitcoin tab. Once you tap there, enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin that you want to send and hit the send option. Then you simply need to paste the wallet address here. If it is another Cash App account, you can actually enter the cash tag, but if it is a Bitcoin address of another wallet, then you need to have that wallet address here and tap on next. Then just enter the details and then just tap the confirm option, and once you tap on confirm option, you will be able to go ahead and then send Bitcoin from Cash App. This way you'll be able to send Bitcoin from Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.